presenting the 2011 Honda Pilot XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are climate control, rear reading lamps, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, front side airbag, driver airbag, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, and MP3 player. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.